Divas, welcome and welcome back to my channel Nokshikatha by Tanya. Today I will show you some exclusive Nokshikatha hand stitch sarees. The first saree is a beautiful Meenakari Katha. This is a very traditional form of Katha stitch. See the beautiful temple both side of your saree. This is the aanchal or the pallu design, and both the border will go like this temple design. It's a black on gold, gold thread we have used, and this is the first fold and it's the second fold of the saree. It is a beautiful pattern. Once you drape it, the temple will come both of your saree, both the side of your saree. This is the complete look. And the price is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk. This is the blouse. See the blouse. How intricate the work is. This saree took minimum 9 to 10 months. See, very nice color combination. We call it golden shade of Katha. The second one is a pure Gachi Tasar. It's a dyed Tasar. It's a pure Deshi Gachi by Gachi Tasar. And the design, it's a very nice design. See, wow. It's not a sari, I mean. The designing is like on canvas. The price is 9800. The price is 9800. Material is very premium quality Gachi Tasar. All sari will get silk mark affiliation. See, this is the aanchal, and all over your sari will go like this, all over the sari. I am showing you the blouse. So the material is a pure Gachi Tasar. It's very soft, very comfortable. It's very summer friendly also. The price is 9800. The another sari is a very exclusive sari. The material is Vishnupuri Katan. It's a premium quality Katan. And check the design, how beautiful this is. The price is 9800. It's a very unique piece. This is the aanchal design. We have used block, hand painting, gun spray. There are lots of technique we have used. This is the aanchal. And all over the sari will go like this. This portion has been done by purely Katha. It's a tie-up of floral and a geometric design. All over your sari will go like this design. See the effect. Very nice effect. The price is 9800. This is the last fold. And I am showing you the blouse. It has a very nice rainbow dye blouse. It's a blouse. This border will go. Okay, the price is 9800. See this one also. It's a pure Bangalore silk. Very smart one. And now it become our brand design also. See, the color is a magenta color, very smart piece and very elegant design. Price is 7000. Price is 7000. Material is pure Bangalore silk. All over the sari will go like this design, all over your sari. This is the second fold I am showing you now. Okay, I am showing you the blouse. See, it's the blouse. Okay, price is 7000. To show you now, I am showing you one beautiful, very exclusive Meenakari Katha. The color is very nice. It's a midnight blue. It's a midnight blue. Wow. This sari took minimum 15 months. Maximum can take 2 years. But this particular sari took a long time. See the work. It's completely Meenakari Katha. Very traditional form of Katha. Very traditional form. And the pattern is all over. All over your sari. This design. All over the sari. Price is 9200. Material is pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. Okay. Very nice one. Very exclusive one even. And the blouse piece will go like this heavy design. Okay. Now another handloom silk. We call it Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a 4-ply silk. It's a 4-ply silk. Wow. Check the color. Very nice teal blue color or turquoise blue or peacock blue, whatever you can describe. See, all over we have done Katha, all over the sari. This will come in the pallu portion, and even the border we have done this stripe Katha. See the intricacy of the work, very intricate work, very intricate work. All over the sari will go like this, all over. See. It's completely handloom. This fabric is completely handloom. Pure silk with silk mark. Okay. Price is 8200. The price is 8200. Now it's a very traditional and very common form of Katha. The rose Katha. Rose and bud are very popular in Katha. See, it's a very nice one. All over the sari will go like this, all over the sari. It's a beautiful velvet red, not very bright but very nice color. It's a border pallu design, so it will come in a very elegant way once you drape it. Price is 7500. Material is pure Bangalore silk, and this is the blouse. Now another pure Gachi Tasar. Check the color of the Tasar, how beautiful it is. If it's a pure Tasar, I mean pure, it's completely pure Tasar, then this color will come. See the color, wow. See the natural color of the yarns. Price is 8000 and material is pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. Silk mark authentication you will get. All over the sari you will get design, all over your sari. And check the color combination, how pretty it is. All shades of mauve and pink. Very nice color. And this is the blouse. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold, second fold, and all over your sari will go like this. Okay, price is 8000. Now another very beautiful color combination. Material is pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. Material is pure Bangalore silk with silk mark. See the combination. Very smart combination. Very smart combination. It's a multicolor tone on tone combination, but it's a multicolor. We have done a Katha on a pure magenta color. It's a dual tone color of pure Bangalore silk. Price is 7800. Price is 7800. All sari you will get blouse pieces, running blouse pieces. 7800. And this is the blouse. Now black and white. This is a nice pattern. Very nice and very smart, very unique pattern. I am showing you. This is the aanchal design. Check the aanchal design. Very smart design. It's like a mat weaving or chatai weaving. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Price is 8,000. Price is 8,000 and it is a partly pallu design. In the pleat portion, you will get this heavy mat weaving, not weaving, mat katha. See, this will be the pattern. Price is 8,000. See, this is the first fold. I am just showing you the pleats portion. This will come in the pleat portion. It's a heavy katha stitch embroidery all over your pleats. Okay, price is 8,000. And I am showing you the blouse. It's the blouse. It has a very smart design in blouse sleeve and back also. 8,000 is the price. Now, pure Bishnupuri 4-ply Katan silk. 4-ply Katan silk. Check the color. Wow. Price is 8,000. Okay. Price is 8,000. Now very exclusive on pure Gachi Tasar. Very nice and in design sense is very unique. This will come in the aanchal portion and all over your body will go this small lotus design. Very classic, very elegant and very rich look. Pure Gachi Tasar and price is 8,990. Price is 8,990. And blouse also same like the aanchal design. It's a multicolored dye. Price is 8,990. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Now another very nice color. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Yes, it's a Tasar and see the color. Wow. It's very difficult, to bring this color in pure Gachi Tasar. See. I have to show you the motif in the aanchal design. It's a very commonly seen in village areas. It's a Santhal design. And all over the sari we have used Madhubani folk motifs. First fold and second fold. Check the second fold properly so that you will get an idea of all over the booty design. And all over your sari you will get this design. All over the sari. Let me show you the blouse. Price is 9,200 and this will come in the blouse. The blouse. Okay. Price is 9,200. Now another pure Gachi Tasar. It's a very unique color combination. Very unique but very gorgeous. Check the color combination. Very nice color combination. We have used dual shades of lemon yellow on pure Gachi by Gachi Tasar. And the outlining we have used rust orange. No red we have used. So those who ignore red, they can easily wear it. Very pretty color combination. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8,000. First fold I have already showed you and this is the second fold. It's like a corner to corner design. I am showing you the blouse. This is the blouse. Both of your silk sleeve, you will get this all over reverse technique. Okay, this saree is completely done by reverse technique. Reverse katha, we call it a reverse katha. Price is 8,000. Now another very nice color combination on pure ghicha tasar. Let me show you the design. This is the blouse. For this saree, blouse always come in the end of the aanchal. So this is the blouse. Now this is the aanchal. This portion will come in the aanchal, and all over the saree you will get this design all over your saree. See the combination, very nice, very gorgeous and very fresh color. Price is 8,500. Okay, price is 8,500. Material is Odisha Sambalpuri Ghicha Tasar. It's completely handloom. Now another very smart and very unique design. It's a very pretty design. Peacock. This will come in the aanchal. It's a big peacock, and all over the body this type of buta we have used to decorate this complete saree. But it's not enough, because we have some more attraction in the pleats. We have used a big, oh no, this one. All over the saree you will get this buta. Okay, all over your saree. Price is 8,800. Price is 8,800. See the intricacy of the work. It's a purely hand katha stitch, and the fabric is pure Bangalore silk. It is a dual tone. It is a cross weave of purple and blue. Price is 8,800. Now I will show you 2-3 variation of Bishnupuri handloom Katan silk. It's a very nice color combination. It's a parrot green, and the design we have it's a rose design all over your saree. This design will came in like a diagonal pattern. This is the aanchal portion and the blouse. See, wow, very fresh color, very fresh and pretty color. It's not that much parrot green, but it's near to mehendi green, bright mehendi green. In the border portion also we have used katha. All over saree, all over the saree you will get this design in a diagonal pattern. See the design, wow, very smart. Though it's a green, but it's a smart color. Price is 8,200. Price is 8,200. Now another Bishnupuri 3-ply handloom Katan silk. Wow, check this color and also the design. Very nice. This will come in the pleats, aanchal and the blouse. Ekটু close up dekho beta. See the aanchal design. All over we have used katha, multicolor with multicolored threads. And it's a completely handloom. We weaved with Bishnupuri Katan silk. This portion is a Bishnupuri Katan silk and this portion is a Ghicha Tasar. So all over the saree you will get this weaved stripe. Okay. Price is 7,500. Price is 7,500. Even in the border, we have done some intricate katha. Even in the border. Now it's a completely pure Bishnupuri Katan 3-ply silk. It's a handloom silk, and we have done all over katha. The color is completely magenta color. All over we have done hand katha stitch. And check the aanchal. Aanchal and the blouse has a stripe. And in the border also we have used all over kantha stitch. I am showing you in folds. This is the first fold, second fold, and all over the sari will this design. This is the border, also in a thin stripe. Price is 8,000. Price is 8,000. Okay. So Divas, don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to book any saree from today's video, you can WhatsApp us with a screenshot of the product. Will definitely help you. Thank you.